Maintaining your Toyota's engine temperature is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Choosing the right coolant prevents overheating, corrosion, and freezing, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly in various conditions. Let's explore the top 3 coolants for Toyota, designed to meet these needs. At number 3, we have Valvoline Multi-Vehicle 50/50 Pre-Diluted Antifreeze. This ready-to-use coolant is designed to protect against corrosion, leaks, deposits, as well as freezing and boiling, the 4 main causes of cooling system failure. Users appreciate its convenience and effectiveness across various vehicle makes and models. However, some suggest verifying compatibility with your specific Toyota model before use. Coming in at number 2 is Zerex Asian Vehicle Red 50/50 Pre-Diluted Antifreeze. Formulated specifically for Asian vehicles, this coolant is silicate and borate-free, utilizing hybrid organic acid technology, HO8, to protect against corrosion and prolong engine life. Users commend its compatibility with Toyota vehicles and its high-quality additives that safeguard metal cooling system parts, including aluminum. Some note that while it's an excellent alternative to OEM coolant, it's essential to ensure it matches your vehicle's specifications. Our top pick is the genuine Toyota engine coolant. Designed by Toyota for Toyota vehicles, this coolant offers optimal performance and compatibility. It provides excellent protection against corrosion and overheating, ensuring your engine operates efficiently. Users highlight its perfect fit for their vehicles and the peace of mind that comes with using an OEM product. The only downside is that it may come at a higher price point compared to aftermarket alternatives, but many find the investment worthwhile for maintaining their vehicle's health. Selecting the appropriate coolant is vital for your Toyota's performance and longevity. The products we've discussed offer reliable options to keep your engine running smoothly. Please check the description for links to these products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel